Today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Shadow Legends is a brand new RPG game that's taking the mobile gaming landscape by storm. In just 3 months, already 10 million mobile players have already downloaded this game. This game has great graphics, strategic gameplay, huge boss fights, and an amazing storyline with over 400 champions for you to collect and personally customize. Okay, so now it's time for me to pick my character. I'm gonna pick Gaelic because he looks like a pure badass. Biggest characters, got the nastiest axe out of all of them, so I think I'm gonna go with him. I mean, come on, check out the details on these champions. The game is free to play. You can enjoy PvP battles in the arena, PvE in dungeons, and cool boss fights. Personally, I think this game is amazing. I love playing it to kill time while I'm at the airport or waiting on Ricky out in the shop. But don't take my word for it. With over 200,000 positive reviews in the Play Store, it has almost 100% rating. You can't go wrong. The game is growing super fast, and the highly anticipated update is now live. And there is a new awesome reward program for new members. And get this, you get a new daily login reward up to 90 days. So, what are you waiting for? Go in the link in the description below, click on the special links, and you're gonna get 50,000 silver and an epic champion as part of the new player program. Good luck, guys. Get signed up today, and I'll see you on there.
What's going on, guys? We are back with some more BMW content. And last time you guys saw this car, we have removed both bumpers, front and back, and the side skirt. Where is the back? Oh, there it is. Today, I'm actually going to install the M Sport bumper package. So, all right, I kind of have everything semi-laid out. This is the side skirt. You guys can see that the red one is obviously the original one that came out of the car. And this is the M Sport we're going to be installing. And it's obviously a way better design.
Wow, that fits freaking. That's the nicest fitting thing we've ever installed, I think. And there's clips on the bottom and that's it? Or
Yeah,
no?
plastic screws.
Huh.
This is the rear bumper, the original one, versus the one we're gonna be installing. You guys see this is one of the main difference. That's the other piece that goes with it, so it can semi-look like down. So it's gonna have the openings for the dual exhaust system. This is the front bumper, everything came with it. This belongs to the rear bumper, rear bumper, rear bumper, and from here forward, this whole front bumper. You guys can see it has the same opening for the grill, but at the bottom is where the main difference is. Look at how small the opening is right there versus ours, how big it is. Especially when we go with the front mount intercooler, that's gonna help out a lot to cool down the intercooler. And it seems like it comes with air ducts for the brakes, I'm assuming. I'm not too sure if it's the brake or if it's for the intake or intercooler, so I guess we'll find out when we get to that portion. Then I'll tackle the rear bumper, and that white piece, I'm assuming it's this right here. So yeah, let me get on it. So as you guys can see, I just finished installing the rear bumper. And this little gap right here is actually the rear reflectors, which we have right here. They're brand new, but they're clip-ons. And what I don't want to see happening is us putting them on, and then when the body shop gets them breaking off. So I'm just gonna keep them out, and I'll let the body shop know that they're in the trunk of the car. That way once they're done painting the car, they can just pop them in. Fitment on this body kit is insane. I've never seen a body kit fit so well. Ever. guys, welcome back. Check this out. There you have it. Obviously, we are missing the two grills, which we are not gonna put on yet. We'll do it after paint. And this body kit came with air ducts for the brakes, and I'm not gonna install them until after I put the front mount intercooler. But there you go, the fitment on this is insane. It's super, super clean. Like I said before, we're not gonna put the reflectors until after paint. And I believe we have a diffuser coming up for the rear, so that centerpiece may be coming off. The fitment on this is absolutely perfect. It was extremely easy to put on and everything fit right up. It's like literally an OEM replacement. It's just perfect. Highly recommend this body kit. It's extremely easy to install, like I said before, and the fitment is absolutely perfect. Well, that is it for now. Now I'm gonna give the camera back to Mickey.
Thanks, Ricky. Yep. Wait. Before I open this hood, I should probably address the fact that a lot of you guys in the last video were talking about how dull this hood was and how it looked like it was a vinyl wrap. It's not a vinyl wrap, it's painted. It's factory BMW red. It is faded. This car sat out in the sun a lot previous to our ownership. Don't worry, guys. We're not gonna leave it like this.
Houston, we have a problem. Woo! Thank you, TJ. He's just always helping me out. He never knows it either. I was just thanking TJ for letting me borrow this.
Funny you mentioned that. I was just about to thank TJ for letting me borrow this monster out of his fridge. It's good on you, TJ. Nice donation to the boys.
Such a great guy.
Pop that. Pull it off all the way?
No, just away from the, just unclip it like that. She gone. So these clips right here from the original pipeline, they need to be transferred to the aftermarket one. And this is how it works. You guys see this right here? This thing will have to pop up. And then once it pops up, then this whole thing comes loose. And then you'll be able to just pull it out. So just unclip it.
This clips? This clips?
Is the clips? Did you get your side off yet?
Like Fast and Furious clips?
Oh, that's different. This is different than mine. Oh, that's weird. Go ahead. No, the other way. There you go.
This clips? I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the rest of this clips. This clips is off.
Ooh, magically.
Through the magic of editing. The next question is, how does this clips come out?
I would have done it by now. Flathead, a hammer,
Floor is yours.
twigs, and a coke. Let's go. Don't get out of your freaking this mother. Damn it.
From the bottom.
Why did they make this one piece? Ow! 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 Why would they do this? Yeah,
Easy on that sensor, guy. We need that.
what sensor?
That real expensive one right there. Stick it in the hole, bud. When I grow up, I want to be like Ricky. All right, well, we're about out of time for today. We did get our new Evolution Raceworks front mount intercooler in place, including the charge pipes, which are really badass looking stuff. Here's basically how it looks from the top. It's nice, just a nice brush finish piping, and the rest of it you can't see, so it's sort of buried down there, which is pretty cool. I think it looks good, and we're really happy with the fit and finish of everything. We went ahead and threw the front bumper back on. This thing's almost ready to go off the paint. Ricky's just putting some of the trim back on. As you can see, we got nice intercooler showing through there. We also put our new brake ducting in, so this goes back to the brakes on both sides, which is really cool. Very nice little setup. So we're probably gonna put a little logo on the intercooler. Yeah, this thing's turning out pretty rad. So it's coming along quick. We are gonna take this thing off to the paint shop to get all the bumpers painted and repaint some of the panels in the car and blend them because this car has sat out in the sun for a really long time and is not looking the sharpest. Some of it could be paint corrected probably, and we'll do some of that as well. So that's that for today. We're gonna go ahead and leave the car on the lift because we're gonna be doing some general maintenance on this as well. Ricky and I over the next couple days before it goes off the paint. We've got a few things to tidy up underneath the car. So we're gonna end it here, boys. Thank you for joining us today.
See you guys.
We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the likes and the thumbs up. We appreciate it. Leave us some comments down below. We'll see you next time.